Hi, so today video is about Sony Xperia V, and this phone was actually released in 2012. To be precise, December 2012. Of course, it's discontinued. The screen size of this phone is 4.3 inch and it contains 13 megapixel camera, 1 GB of RAM and 1750 mAh battery. That's pretty okay for that. Along with that, this phone has 120 gram of weight and 10.7 millimeter thickness. You can upgrade it to maximum 4.3 version, and includes actually 8 GB and 4 GB memory. This phone is actually with 4 GB internal memory. Of course, you can insert a card. I will let you know how much maximum you can use the card. So I think that's maximum of 16 GB. I'm actually using now right now 2 GB with it. So let's open it up and let's see what's inside. Okay, so it includes the phone itself, of course. Along with that, we have a USB charging cable. Of course, you can use any Android type B, I would say. And along with that, there is charger and pretty nice earphones from the Sony. Yeah, that's good. That's great. So that's all included in the box. I will put it on side and let's get back to the phone itself. So if you want to use this phone in 2021, you should first of all be careful that you cannot play any heavy games on it. You can pretty use this phone for normal use like for calls, SMS, maybe WhatsApp also. WhatsApp and Facebook, YouTube, you can use everything. It does not hang much, but it does hang actually. And if you look at the camera quality, then I would say camera is not bad. Yeah, so 13 megapixel is pretty okay for that. And if you see, you can use like Play Store. Everything is possible to download, but many apps it does not actually support. And the reason behind that is of course that it does not you cannot actually upgrade it to like Marshmallow or any other. Like maximum what it can do is Jelly Bean. So it is a single SIM phone, and it is main thing is that it is waterproof, so you can keep it in water up to I think 1 minute or something. And to be precise, it does contain the screen type TFT. Resolution is 720 into 1280 megapixel and upgradable maximum to Jelly Beans, as I told you, the version 4.3. And as I wanted this phone to use for websites just or use extra SIM, so for me I didn't create any problem. I use Kiwi browser that much faster than the Chrome. So if you want to use, you should use Kiwi browser. That's much faster because it takes less memory. And then there is panorama also inside included. Selfie camera is VGA, so you cannot expect much from that. Loudspeaker, yes. Wi-Fi is there, Bluetooth is there, GPS is there, NFC is there, radio is there, and micro USB is also there. Sensor what include accelerometer, gyrometer, proximity, and compass. So let's go into the setting and let's see what else it gives us. So Android version model LT225i, and the status battery. If we go to the battery, I charge it almost, you can say, 12 hours before, but I was not using any internet or something, so it is still now 78%. So I think it's okay, and till now it's working good. I would say 2-day battery with that, and with normal use. Of course, I will not use this for as a primary phone. So yes, you can say that you can use this phone if you want to buy, and it will be pretty okay. But it came, of course, when it came in 2012, it was very expensive. It was almost 260 230 euros. So yeah, for that price, of course, now you can buy this phone, and I would say not more than 35 to 40 euros. So I think that's pretty okay to use an Android phone with pretty basic functionalities. Of course, you can add more functionalities, but the phone does hang. That I should let you know. So I hope you like the video, and if you have any question related to this phone or any video that I uploaded, please feel free to comment, and of course don't forget to share, like, and subscribe the channel. And thank you.